G'day, going to do a quick review on this Trekology bloody camp table. It's 400 long centimeters by bloody 70 and weighs about 490 grams apparently, it says. So it comes in a compact little bag, which is good. Yeah, well, it's all metal except for the bungee straps. So basically it's waterproof and fireproof or heat proof. So it just comes apart like that. Flip it over. Slide these leggy bits like that, and then pop that up, and pop that up, and you've got a cute little table to sit the drink on. Yeah, 400 grams. It's that big in comparison. With this, I chose this one because you can put hot stuff on it. I even light a fire on it sometimes, in a little fire stick stove thing. Right, there is one bad thing about this table. We've had it for a while. These end bits come off. And you don't want to go losing them in the bush and leaving more bloody plastic around here. So I'm going to solve that problem by riveting the ends on. Now, you could just take them all off and it wouldn't matter that much. The edge isn't that sharp, so you know, you could just rip them all off so they don't get lost in the bush and go down some wombat's gullet, or rivet them on. I'm going to rivet them on because I can. You could probably use Sikaflex or glue, or you might even be able to crimp the edges with a pair of pliers or something to help hold them on. But anyhow, they're going to come off, so that's a bit crap, Trekology. Get your shit together. We don't want to be leaving rubbish around the bush. Yeah, yeah, it's fairly sturdy. The other tables, the cloth ones, well, you can't put hot stuff on them. You can't light fires on them like I do with this, which I'll show you in another video. Also, the higher ones, well, yeah, they'd be nice, but they're more bulky and a bit heavier. We do a lot of kayak camping and kayaking, so this fits in our kayaks nicely. If you're going on a hike, yeah, depends how much you want a table. You might bring it along or might not, but anyhow, it's really convenient just to have a flat surface and like to keep your food up out of the sand and stuff when you're preparing. So really good for preparing stuff, putting hot stuff on, just having a level surface. Anyone that's been camping a fair bit knows just how important it is to have somewhere to prepare your food and a level surface. And the bonus is it's light as, you know, 500 grams of feathers and durable. Now the other reason I got this one is because those other ones on the ends have these joining here, and that's just more moving parts, so more things to break and go wrong. I wouldn't get one of those ones either, the metal ones that have the moving parts on the end. With this, if anything is going to go wrong with it, well, I can fix it. So the only thing that's likely to go wrong with it is this bungee cord will break. Well, you know, tie it back together or replace it. Really, really simple. I can't see anything else is going to go wrong with this thing. It cost me about 25 bucks. So if you buy one, I reckon you'll only need to buy one. You shouldn't need to ever buy another one again, unless you leave it behind somewhere. Or, you know, obviously if somebody stands or sits on it or falls on it, well, you might be able to bang it back into shape. I reckon you probably would. It's not likely to snap, it'll just bend. So, and then you'll have one with a bit more character. As you can see, I've used this one a fair bit. I've lit fires on it, I've cut stuff up on it, I've yeah, just generally used it. And she's hanging together except for these end bits, which I'm going to fix with a rivet in each end. Simple to fix. Okay, well thanks for watching. I hope you got out of this video what you came here for. And yeah, hooroo, catch you later.